Let's see if I can do it better. The Business Expo with the team. Here with me is Shaib. Shaib, can you say hi? From there or
Hi.
right here?
Hi, waxaan joognaa beerta nabada Mogadishu.
So we are here at beerta nabada, and there's a huge festival going on. The festival is about restaurants and coffee shops. There's multiple businesses operating in Mogadishu, and each and every single one of them is displaying their product and their food. So this goes to show you the transformation we've been making throughout the years. Now we are at a place where we can say we've made it, you know? Let's go and discover inside. Thank you. Here I have the Dubai baklava. It's basically the viral Dubai chocolate version of baklava, or no, sorry, basbousa. And it has pistachio, it has patafi, it has and basbousa and the pistachios and the chocolate. I'm excited to try it out.
Can we test with you?
Of course, of course. Let me try, okay? This is amazing. You want to try it? Thank you. Look, I got coffee. Thank you, Akram Sweets. So, as you can see, it looks very good. And I'm going to try to be a chef for the day. Let's see if I can do it better than the chef himself. Do you think I can do it better than you?
No, of course.
Of course I can't do better than him. There's 3,000 people here at the event. It's very massive, it's big, it's very fun. Everyone is looking forward to the festivities. There's more businesses to explore, more restaurants, more sweets and coffee shops. Right there we have Coco Cola, we have Fatuush Candies.
كاني ما معان هاد بسوق الدواء شينا استعماله معناه شينا لو بديه حتى مكتيس Somali إني قبتهم قوة ذك هاي مشين قاون وبراندنا عس حق مرك الله لكن أنا معان شينا اللي ولا تصل قبتهم فانتي وحاك على نعبود بركة قضاء أصل نعبود بركة Somali هراء قانان بعيال وحرج لكن وحاسو بيعاقة ساقشني نعبود بران لدام فانتي سيدا قال نعلواني من علواني الله كاني أصدق وحاجر شوكولاتة تحتها هورا لو سمجري لكن أنا سحنا لو سمجري وحاد بلا بني عايق شو بعنا أكو أسطورة مرة وحاسو بيا جاس فوقله هذا اللي عليه هاي
كان وحدنا قاعدين
يا جاس فوقله هذا اللي عليه هاي سيدا قال قنبها وقنبعاد لو سمجري لكن لو ساقو داري وحيرا وحا كبدل وحير كان وقنبها سنت أصلا سيدا قال وحيرا كبدل قنبا جود لو يقاني وما معان كان عرفتها سميستان أصلا سيدا قال وكسو كردي وان سوبيا وحصلت سوبيا ملك كاندي سيدا قال معانا ذينا ما هن لكن سيدا قال حمر كسو كردي وان كاني كنتورا الله كان يدانك برابي وابالوس يكالرا يو سبيب وحيال اسكو دران فانتي dadkan macaamiisha aad ay u jecel yihiin marka sidoo kale waa ku soo kordhi alaabaha suubiin inta lagu soo koobi karo aad u badan sidoo kale aan baraawo waa boor laga suubi wuu jira asagoo aan geela soo aan loon ugu jira aan baraawo waxa waaye oo boor ee saasana ka dhignay
This is beautiful. ما شاء الله قبرير وددالي سو يعني business كذا كسب بلا تيك توك مالين followers كإن أفضل زيرو كسب بلا إلا ما أنت هيك وتكنيه وشقاء وين والله وأنا كودي رجليني هنا هذا سنتهي thank you إن نقص دويسي. Okay, so we're at Papa Rotti, Somalia, and I think they sell buns, dessert buns. That's what they're popularly known for. I don't see the product itself, but you can check the banner. If you buy this card today, this event is going to go on for the next 3 days, Mia. The next 3 days, you can come here and still the event is going to be going on. If you come with this card to their actual locations in the city, they will give you 2 more buns for free. So buy 1, get 2 free. Hi, maanta ka warama meeshaan imaateen war iga siiyo xogaa.
Meesha oo soo qabtana furiyo maleeyo. Sabi maleeyo. Lacag ay baxay wax meel.
Lacag ma ka baxday? War ma ka baxday meeqa?
Al door iyo bar bajaaj soo raacay furiyo maleeyo.
Bajaaj tilma taagantaadi. Wax xataa ma ka gadan meeshii. Wuu sheegay meesha waxa ka dhacay. وانا قاعدين
وانا قاعد ولا بلاد طلع
عادي مركز فري ما فهمت فري اوكي هذا ما دام فري لو dhahay waxa ku qasbanahay at least maadaama aan kula hadalnay ina wax aad gadatid adigoo qanacsanaa laabad way walaal Coco Cola noo soo dhiib wiilka maadaama lagu soo qalday meesha ay lacag bajaaj ka baxday oo wax dhan free u maleeyay Coco Cola siinaaniye hay okay ma ho saaxiibka uu ka carre asana soo qabamid. We're still here at the Feast Gardens in Mogadishu, and the event is going very beautiful. Now we're going to explore the different sides of the Feast Garden itself. I haven't been here for so long, and I can see there's a lot of like change since when I last came here. The last time I came here was probably around 2021, and it wasn't as big and massive and beautiful as this. It's getting beautiful by the year. So yeah. The one thing,
it's good, yes.
Even the sunset is so pretty. Do you see that? That's so beautiful. The other thing I want to say is that, look behind me. There's families, there's children, there's young people coming out to enjoy the festival. Somalia is walking through massive transformation. Don't listen to what the media says. Look at what we're doing here now. This is how we're living in Somalia. Look over there. Let's go see that place where there's the art, there's people taking pictures, people are just having fun, enjoying their time. Let's go see the art, actually. I wonder who did it. There's a lot of artists, actually, upcoming creative artists that are like, this is a beautiful flower. I wonder who made this art. This is very pretty. But you see the colors, you see the positivity. Art is all about being positive, and this is what people are spreading here. And you know, I like this one. Wait. I think I have wings. I have wings. Hold my bag. I have wings. I want to fly.